Welcome to the Secretary Cottage, and today I'm going to share my new curtains, a freshly painted kitchen door, and I have a question regarding wallpaper in my dining room. First up are my new curtains that I purchased from HomeGoods, and they were only $24.99 for a pair. I'll give them a try. So let's see if they look good. So this has already been opened at one point. I guess somebody returned them. Doesn't bode well. I think that was a lot harder than it had to be. Ooh, let's see. Very pretty. I think that they might go. I do also love to shop for curtains at thrift stores, and I have found some amazing custom curtains. The ones in my kitchen balances, those are from the thrift store. Let's give it a whirl. I really like the birds. This room's gonna look so much better once the crown molding is in. It's just such a pain in the butt project. We've been putting it off. Hey Mittens, you wanna watch me paint the door? I also decided to paint my door, and the first color that I chose was Apples and Pears by Benjamin Moore. I thought it was going to work, but honestly it was just too vivid of a green. I ended up not really liking the green, so I repainted the side door and painted my kitchen door in the same blue that my porch ceiling is painted in, and I do prefer it. Hi, I'm back. Sorry I took such a long break. Christmas was crazy and New Year's. I actually did make a video, but for some reason it didn't record, so I obviously couldn't play it back to you. I'm going to change my dining room, which is a little crazy because I know I actually just finished it like 6 months ago, but it's a little dark because the room doesn't get a whole lot of light, and I decided that I wanted to change it up, and I've ordered new wallpaper, and I'm going to paint all of the beadboard and trim a bright white. So stay tuned, and hopefully, fingers crossed, this will do the trick. It also, the wallpaper looks nice against the kitchen walking through, and I'll show you that shot as well. For new viewers, here's a quick flashback so you can see what the kitchen looked like just a few years ago. And now let's jump to the present day. My dining room is to the right, so the paper has to coordinate with the kitchen paper you see here. Okay, so once again, this is what the dining room looks like right now, and the reason it doesn't get a lot of light is because the porch was added, and the porch covers the main windows from the front. We get a lot of sun in the afternoon, but just it trickles in here. It never gets full sun. I did receive the wallpaper from Wayfair, and I really didn't like it. So I'm splitting the screen, and you can now see the new two options that I'm trying to decide which one I prefer for the room. So let me know your thoughts. I hope you've enjoyed this video, and if you have, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe.